I'm going to put Opus 5 and GPT 5.6 Sol into test and see which one is going to do a better job and cost less money and token at the same time. So I have a real project and I want to put them side by side test, and at the end of the video I'm going to tell you which one worth your money and which one you should use in which project or in which task. So I saw a lot of people review them, but they're just reading benchmark. They are not putting them in a real test, in a real project, or in task that could be done. So they either build a website that no one is going to use, or doing a landing page, or building an app that no one is going to use. But in this video I have a real project, I have a real task. So this is my video transcript. As you can see, view graph, video transcript, and how they are related to each other. When I click on this index, it's going to take me to which idea is related to each idea and which topic is related to another topic. But as you can see, this is like an abstract graph. There's no nice interface, there's no nice looking interface to just look at it and see how everything is related to each other. So I want this to be like in a nicer interface, in a very clean way, with images, YouTube video thumbnails, titles, and how the video is related to each other. So I want to put this into test. So I prompted ChatGPT Sol, the same prompt, and Claude Opus 5, the same prompt. So let's just view the output and then the cost. So as you can see, I'm inside my Claude Code, and this is the task I gave Claude Code. So this was a prompt. I'm going to see the prompt. This was a prompt. Build a single self-contained HTML page that maps my entire YouTube video channel, every video I have made, every topic I have covered, and how they all connect to each other. So I pointed into this folder called my YouTube wiki. I pointed into a folder called my YouTube wiki. So yeah, my content OS wiki and my personal OS wiki. So I pointed at this folder and I tell it to build a nicer graph, a nicer interface to look at. So agent went back and forth. It built this first prototype, and I went back and forth with him and I said that there's no visual. So it went and it came back with this. So let me just open this in the browser to see how it is look like. So it gave me the link for localhost here. So let me just click on that link to view it in the browser. So this is a browser, and this is the interface. This look like an app, but it's only for my YouTube videos. As you can see, this is the overview. I can see all the videos here. I can see the video by topic, by Claude Code, ChatGPT, AI agent, Shopify, prompt engineering. I can filter by long only, so I could only see long videos, and I will see all the topic long videos. So some of these videos are taken out because they were very terrible, so I take them down. And yeah, this was all the video topic, but this is not the all. As you can see, I have video map. This is what I want. I want to see how my videos are related to each other. So as you can see, I have 157 video. Well, half of them are short videos, but in this graph, it shows me how they are related to each other with visuals, not just like this on Obsidian Vault. It's just nodes. I have to click on them to go down and see. But in this browser interface, I could just look at this video. How to use Claude Code like you are an Anthropic. This is a video about how to use Claude Code. When I hover over it, I see all the videos that related to it. And then the other video about I automated my entire Shopify store. These are how my videos are related to each other. So I can see them, I can hover over them, I can click the video to watch the video from here. And I can see also the by topic, how many topics I have talked about. So I have ideas, and I have tools, and I have technologies. So these are the ideas I have talked about, and how they are related to tools, and how they are related to topic. When I go into topic, so the main technology or the main tools I use a lot, I made a video about it a lot, is Claude Code. As you can see, how they are related to tools, how they are related to technologies, and how they are related to ideas. So this is a graph, but with more information. When I click on it, I will see all the videos, all the transcript. And not just like that, I can search for a topic here and it's going to pop out. Maybe I will search for Gemini. Have I made a video about Gemini? No, there's no specific video about Gemini, but I have a few videos about Google Gemini here. So these are short videos about Gemini, but they are not specifically made for Gemini. So when I search for just Gemini, there's no video appeared in there. I don't know, this might be a typo, but anyway, So I have ChatGPT also, 38 video AI agent. So this was a Opus 5 result. I like this, it's very good. I could make it even better, but I like it. Overall, it's good. So let's just view the output of Sol, or GPT 5.6. So this is Codex, and this is the result from GPT 5.6. So let's just open this in the browser. Let me open it in localhost in my Chrome browser here. So this was the result from GPT. As you can see, it's look kind of similar. I have 156 videos, and I talked about 92 topic. As you can see, it's also sorted by the topic here, by the topic, and also sort my videos by topic: ChatGPT, Claude Code, AI Agent, Shopify, and I have the dashboard and I have graph. But the graphs only shows me the nodes, just like this one, without the video map visuals, which are much interested to see this than this. But Codex only gave me this without any visuals, so I don't know how they are kind of operate the same. When I click on the node, it's going to pull the transcript, not the transcript, but connect it to, and then what covered, etc., etc. So this is the result from Codex or Sol. Well, I don't like it overall. I like this much more than the Codex result. What do you think of this, guys? So yeah, this was the first test, and the cost was, so this is how much Opus 5 cost me. It's only run for 12 minutes, and it cost me $4. It's not that much at all, because you know what? It's just HTML. It's plain HTML. There's no framework. There's no research. There's no sub-agent driven. It just took the video links from my YouTube, and it created this HTML, and it took this wiki from my Obsidian vault, and it created this HTML. So it didn't cost that much. And this was the status from Codex or Sol. So the session, the context was only, I don't know, I don't have the ability to see the cost, but I could see the context. It's only 81 left in this window to run more tasks. So I think this context is, I can't run anything, I can't ask it anything in this window to do it, and it's going to do it as good as open a fresh window. So, and I couldn't see the price anyway. So this was Codex, and that was ChatGPT. And I have another task. I said, hey, create a thumbnail for this exact video. So let me view it in my Visual Studio Code. So as you can see, this is ChatGPT, which is Codex, which is Sol, and this is a Opus 5. And this is Opus 5. I gave it full access. So anyway, so these are the thumbnail. These were the thumbnail created by Codex. As you can see, this is the first one. This is the second one. Let me just make this a little bit smaller so you can see the full thumbnail. So this was the thumbnail were created by Sol. I think I'm going to use these thumbnails for this video. You might be hooked to one of these, and this as well with Sol, and this one as well with Sol. I like these two, this one and this one. I like them. I like the idea. But this other thumbnail were created with Claude or Opus 5. I don't like this thumbnail from Opus 5. I don't like this. This might it's not look that great. Well, at least ChatGPT has image generation built in, and Opus 5 is going to use Grok API to create my images, so that's why I think the problem. But in this test, Sol 5 is the best. I like this video. I like these thumbnails ideas. So yeah, I'm going to use these from ChatGPT rather than these from Claude Code. And well, I have another test as well. I ask it an abstract question like this: I want to make money using AI. Just create me a landing page, give me the idea, and give me the pricing and everything. So Opus 5 went and create this landing page. So it named it Mizan. AI isn't killing your traffic. That's not your problem. So it's like services for e-commerce. So we will help e-commerce show the product in AI shopping agent directly inside AI chatbot. So we will help e-commerce businesses to show their product inside ChatGPT, inside Claude Code. So this is the services that Opus built for me. So we have the sample report. Well, I understand now. So an e-commerce business come to this URL, put their store here, put their email, and it's going to send the score report to show them why the catalog is not showing inside AI agent. So this is the idea of the business Claude Opus gave me. The pricing, okay, that the pricing, who runs it? One person in Liverpool with no client yet. Oh my goodness, that's embarrassing. So I like the design overall, but I don't like the idea. And also there's no visuals, it's just a lot of text. But I like the overlay, the color, everything is look good. We could brand this, we could make images about this, we could make landing pages, ads, etc. But we need more visuals, but I don't like the idea. Let's see what ChatGPT came up with. By the way, I gave them the same prompt. This was the prompt for Codex, and it came back with this idea. I don't know, it's like a meta ad agency or something like that. It's also named it Mizan. I don't like why they use Mizan too much. So I'm going to ask you to open this in localhost again. So this was a business idea from Sol of ChatGPT. Let's just open it in my Chrome browser and see, view it properly. So this was the idea. It's like 9 meta ads, 1 research spine, 7 business day. Alright, it's like I said before, it's like a meta ad agency. I don't like this at all. The Claude Code or the Opus 5 result was better. Idea, sorry, not result, was better. So we could run this service for e-commerce businesses and ask them about why their Shopify store is not showing inside AI agent, instead of running this service of running meta ad campaigns for businesses. I don't like this at all. So we have this static ads, native image ads, AI UGC videos, a complete first test. So it even have a link to book a call. Oh, it take my car link to book a call. So, oh, I like this one because I found a link of my booking and it added in this website. Also, the color of the website is not look that branded. It's look like an AI slop. So this website landing page feel a little bit have soul. Not like this. This feels sloppy. The idea is not that great. Well, overall, I like the design of this page from Claude and the thumbnails from Codex from ChatGPT. These thumbnails from ChatGPT, and also the business idea from Claude. So these were the design from Claude, and these were the design from ChatGPT. What do you think of these guys? Will you use Codex, Sol, or Opus 5? I think Opus 5 excel on ideating. I think each one of them has its trade-off. So, for example, this is made by Opus. I like this much because Opus is just very much good at thinking and doing complex tasks, and Sol is very much good at visuals. So as you can see on these thumbnails, ChatGPT was very good, but Opus was terrible. But at the same time, on building these things by putting these graphs, by taking these nodes and putting them into something like this, Opus 5 was good, was better than ChatGPT, right? What do you think of these guys? So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Peace.